friends, welcome to the Plane Fun RC channel. We're here at Nall 2025, and you know what time it is? It's noontime! That's right folks, it's noontime demos, and we've got the bull. Here at Plane Fun RC, it's usually no bull, but in this case, we got the bull. So folks, this looks exciting, so once again, strap in tight. Put those tray tables in the upright position. No smoking sign is on, oxygen mask on, fighter helmet on, visor down, and enjoy the flight.
Hello, Nall. Hey! This is the Aero Panda team here. We have all the way from Argentina with the blue ultimatum.
Not sure what the smaller jet is, but we're going to focus on the bigger jet. Bigger jet's always a little easier to see on video. And let's be honest, that bull is just too cool.
30 years old. He's flying the yellow bull. Also from Panda in Spain. We're going to let you run the music and show you a little bit on the plane. We're giving away a PNU 60 in the Aero Panda boat. You think to go up into Hawaii to get one there. 5 p.m. we're giving away a plane. I got a Hawaii t-shirt? Of course! Wow! Don't get up from Florida. Yeah, I know, but we need the sunshine here because we need it, right? We want the sunshine.
We need the sunshine. I'm a small guy, but I'm not my style. But if you guys are a couple of other income, tell me a little bit about Aero Panda and what you guys do.
So Aero Panda, we've been here 10 years. Danny and I, we are hobbyists. We also help everybody. Also we can do sell very model, power competition, MKS servo. We are something of the movie. We more focus to the jet, the helicopters. And we just are here for the ride and enjoy it with our friends, followers, obvious. Help everybody as much as we can.
Information from the lab. After this match, we'll tell you a little bit about the plane.
Yeah, the ultimate, the blue one, is a 2-liter super strong plane, fast plane. It's like the hot rod of the jets. The bull is more a mellow plane. It's a good overall plane for a start. You're going to see a lot of slow flights with that plane. Very forgiving. Fede, we need to get excited, Fede. Come on, I know that he can do a good show. And he's trying to break in my plane, so it's on the fast so he can go lower and faster. Who wants to see a rifle roll? Come on.
There it is. Oh, yeah. At 199.99 miles an hour, Fede on the deck. Here's Uncle John. Very nice, very smooth. He's already only 13 years old. He flies everything from jets to airplanes. It's truly incredible how much younger the pilots keep getting, how much more talented they keep getting. It's really incredible. The Argentina, is it the Argentina freestyle championship?
Yeah.
Okay, yes. Multiple championship, yes, absolutely.
You will see him down there in the freestyle island. I have to take him now. Yeah, he's a super freestyle pilot. He's flexing.
Oh, he's riding that air, ladies and gentlemen. Riding that air. That pocket of air underneath that plane. Like a surfer on a wave.
You have to fly a little bit faster than cargo because you have to understand them a lot better. Jets have a delay on the ground. If you're not used to it, it's a bright shoot fly. Young pilots like this really work together.
Something very important. These are two young talents that we're trying to have more basic entry to the hobbies. For those that say that the hobby set, we have a lot of samples of really talented fish coming into the hobby. I get this morning in November,
Sorry to cut you off that egg. Just absolutely incredible performance. Like, what is awesome?
Oh, look at that, folks. That's gorgeous. That's a no bull landing, folks. No bull butter, I mean, excuse me, no bull butter. That's what that is right there, folks. No bull butter. Look at him. Look at that bucking bull right there. Gorgeous jet, very unique, really neat. I think I heard him say it's available from Aero Panda. If it is, I'll make sure to have a link in the description. All right, friends, more to come.